Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your brother Abu Sama Dhahabi coming at you to let you know that we're at the end of November and it's getting colder and colder for us here in the UK. We're making preparations, inshallah, to travel over to Asham to deal with what our brothers and sisters are in need of in terms of our assistance. Task Force GLM at it again, trying to make it do what it has to do in terms of bringing our best efforts to the table. Brothers and sisters, we're asking you by Allah Azza wa Jal to donate fi sabilillahi and to be generous as it relates to what our brothers and sisters are in need of. Those of us that Allah Ta'ala has blessed with some wealth, even those of us who are not, rich, nonetheless, we have more than what the people over there have. And as I always do, I guarantee, bi-idhnillah, that whatever you spend in the way of Allah Azza wa Jal for this project is going to reach the intended targeted audience. So therefore, all we're asking from you is to give the money, and we'll put it on our backs, and we'll organize all of the logistical nightmares that are on the ground to get the money to the people who need it, to get the foodstuffs to the people who need it, to get those things, the blankets and so forth and so on, to the people who need it. All we're asking you is to donate generously in the cause of Allah Azza wa Jal. May Allah bless you all and bless your families and your babies. And as we always say, and we continue to say, peace in the Middle East, and let us make that a reality. As it relates to the people in need, for those who are individuals, 60 pounds is enough for one individual, and 300 pounds, inshallah, for a family. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.